Today, the universe has an important message. For you, it's a message that might just change the course of your life if you're willing to listen. You see, there are moments in life when the cosmos seems to align, when the stars twinkle just a little brighter, and the whispers of the universe become a resounding call. In this moment, you are being summoned by a celestial force that transcends our earthly realm. Three angels are calling your name every night because someone is touching your soul. Before we delve deeper into this mystical message, take a moment to breathe. Inhale deeply and exhale all your worries and doubts. Close your eyes and let your mind drift to the serene night sky where stars glisten like diamonds. Now type "I am ready to receive" the message in the comments below to acknowledge the universe's call. The universe has a way of communicating with us, often in subtle and mysterious ways. It's a language that translates words and is deciphered through intuition and inner wisdom. So let's embark on this cosmic journey together and explore the profound message that awaits you as the three angels continue to call your name. It's crucial to understand the significance of their presence. Angels are celestial beings sent to guide and protect us. They are messengers of divine wisdom and love. When they call your name, it means that your life is about to undergo a significant transformation. They are inviting you to step into the unknown, to embrace change, and to trust in the path that is unfolding before you. Type "I am open to change" and transform information in the comments to align yourself with the angel's message and show your willingness to embrace the cosmic guidance that awaits. Now let's explore why someone is touching your soul through the celestial connection. Your soul is a radiant and eternal essence that carries the wisdom of countless lifetimes. It's the core of your being, and when someone touches your soul, it's an acknowledgement of the profound impact you have on their life. It's a testament to the love, kindness, and positivity you bring into the world. Type "I am grateful for the love and positivity I share" in the comments to affirm the connection between your soul and the person who touches it. The three angels calling your name every night are not alone in this cosmic dance. They are surrounded by a symphony of stars, each with its own unique energy and significance. These stars represent different aspects of your life, your relationships, your career, your spiritual journey, and your personal growth. Type "I am ready to explain." Explore the different aspects of my life in the comments to signify your willingness to understand the multifaceted nature of the universe's message. Now let's focus on the three angels themselves. Each angel brings a distinct message and energy into your life. The first angel is the angel of love and compassion. This angel is here to remind you of the power of love and kindness. It's urging you to open your heart to both giving and receiving love. For it is through love that we find our true purpose and happiness. Type "I am ready to embrace" love and compassion in the comments to connect with the angel of love and open your heart to its message. The second angel is the angel of abundance and prosperity. This angel is showering you with blessings and opportunities. It wants you to know that abundance is your birthright and there are limitless resources available to you. All you need to do is believe in yourself and seize the opportunities that come your way. Type "I am ready to embrace abundance and prosperity" in the comments to align yourself with the angel of abundance and welcome its blessings into your life. The third angel is the angel of wisdom and guidance. This angel is here to illuminate your path and offer you the wisdom needed to navigate life's challenges. It encourages you to trust your intuition and inner guidance, for they are your most reliable. Compass type, I am ready to receive wisdom and guidance in the comments to connect with the angel of wisdom and open yourself to its profound insights as you continue to receive the messages from these angels. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and the angels are here to support and guide you. They believe in your potential, and they want to see you thrive. Type, I believe in myself and my potential in the comments to affirm your faith in the cosmic support surrounding you. Now let's explore the concept of the nightly call. Why do the angels call your name every night? Nighttime is a sacred and peaceful time when the distractions of the day fade away and our minds become more receptive to the messages of the universe. It's a time for reflection, introspection, and connection with the divine. Type, I welcome the nightly call of the angels in the comments to signify your openness to receiving their guidance during the tranquil hours of the night. The angels' nightly call is a reminder that you are never alone. Even in the darkest of times, they are watching over you, guiding you and protecting you. They are your celestial companions on this earthly journey. Type, I am grateful for the presence of the angels in my life in the comments to express your gratitude for the cosmic companionship you receive as you embrace the messages from the universe and the angels. Remember that the path to transformation and enlightenment is not always smooth. There will be challenges and obstacles along the way, but these are opportunities for growth and learning. Trust in the divine plan and have faith that you are exactly where you need to be at this moment. Type, I trust in the divine plan for my life in the comments to reaffirm your belief in the cosmic order guiding your journey. In conclusion, the universe has an important message for you, and the three angels are calling your name every night because someone is touching your soul. Embrace the cosmic guidance. Open your heart to love and compassion. Welcome abundance and prosperity. Seek wisdom and guidance and trust in the divine plan. You are a part of a magnificent cosmic tapestry, and your presence in this world is significant. The universe believes in you, and it's time for you to believe in yourself. Type, I am ready to embrace my cosmic journey in the comments to signify your commitment to the path of self-discovery and transformation. The universe and the angels are with you every step of the way, guiding you towards a brighter and more fulfilling future.